SQL most use commands. First we have create, which is used to create database object like table and views. Then we have alter command, which is used to modify the existing structure of the objects, like we can add a new column and we can drop a column, etc. Then we have drop command, which is used to drop a table from the database permanently. Then we have rename command, which can be used to rename an object, like rename a table name, etc. Then we have truncate command that can delete your entire data in one go. Okay, then we have comment command. It adds or delete comment to object. Then we have select command, which is used most. It is used to fetch the data from the database. Then we have insert command. It is used to insert a row in the database. Then we have update command, which is used to update the existing data in the database. Then we have delete command, which is used to delete unwanted rows from the database. Then we have merge command. It is used to insert, update, delete in one go. Then we have TCL commands. We have commit. It is used to save your work permanently in the database. Then we have rollback. If something goes wrong, then it needs to be rolled back. So basically it is used to undo your work in the database. Then we have save point. It allows you to roll back to a certain point in the transaction. Then we have DCL commands. It has grant, which is used to give access permission to users in the database. Then we have revoke. It is used to take back the access permission from the user in the database. So these are your all SQL most used command. So go through all, and then you will have a better understanding of these commands.